Hi, I'm Reefy Peachy, and this is Corals, Plants, Fish, a channel dedicated to the aquarium hobby and fish keeping. We have content covering all aspects of the hobby and specialising in planted nature aquariums and saltwater reef aquariums. So if you love aquariums and fish keeping as much as I do, then make sure to comment, like and subscribe to Corals, Plants, Fish for more videos just like this one. Okay, in this video we continue the journey and progression of my CADE River 600 120 litre planted nature aquarium. The tank is approximately 2 months old and barely established, yet it is progressing extremely well, and to be honest, so far this tank is establishing without any issues whatsoever, apart from a small algae outbreak that only lasted no more than a week. I contribute the success to date to dedicated research, implementation of a clear step-by-step plan, and consistent maintenance regime, which has been a pleasure, I might add. My equipment is simple but effective. I run an oversized canister for my system. Well, it's not oversized, it's actually quite perfect, yet it is rated for aquariums up to 5 times larger than mine. Canister filters are awesome, however, not as per the manufacturer's recommendations. You need to go much bigger if you want them to be effective. I'm running a CO2 canister and a regulator on a timer during the photosynthesis period, with a bubble count of approximately 2 bubbles per second. This is up from a bubble count of 1 bubble every 3 seconds during the first month. Lighting is a single Aqua Illumination Prime HD freshwater LED, and apart from the heater, that's it. Nice and simple. I decided to go with the ADA substrate system, establishing a microbial layer, a nutrient layer, followed by a soil layer. I have also followed the ADA system for establishing the aquarium, and I have to say I am extremely impressed and highly recommend it. I decided to go with affordable and easy to grow plants while the tank establishes, and over time these will gradually be replaced with plants that appeal to me personally. I started the plant out with a mixture of tissue culture and stem plants, as well as 2 Amazon swords. I like a natural chaotic layout, so no particular effort was put into plant location, other than considering foreground, midground and background. However, I didn't stick to that rule that closely either. For stocking, I went with a school of 30 neon tetras. These were introduced gradually, 10 at a time, over a month. The cleanup crew consists of 3 flying foxes, 2 bristlenose sucking catfish, 9 cherry shrimp, and a few hitchhiking snails. I doubt I will add much more, as the plants remain the primary focus of this aquarium. The maintenance rhythm of the aquarium is very consistent. The first 2 weeks I did 50% water changes daily, and gradually reduced this to approximately 10 litres per day, which gives the aquarium a weekly turnover of approximately 70%. I do some pruning once a week and ensure the filter is clean, and clean it when and if needed. I add a range of ADA supplements during water changes, and this concludes my maintenance regime. Very, very simple. In all, it takes approximately 5 to 10 enjoyable minutes per day. The future of this tank is fairly flexible. Eventually, I will replace all the plants with plants that I both love and will do well in my system. Stocking may vary over time, but the one consistent will be that this aquarium will always be primarily focused on the plants. This is my first planted nature aquarium, and I've got to say, I am hooked. I love everything about the planted aquarium. The beauty, tranquility, lush vibrant hues of greens and reds, contrasting and complementing leaf shapes and patterns, the unattainable crest to achieve yet confine true nature, to provide inspiration and creativity through the beauty of nature. That's why I love the planted aquarium. Let me know what you think about and why you love the planted aquarium in the comment section of this video. And if you love aquariums and fish keeping as much as I do, then make sure you subscribe, comment and like to Corals, Plants, Fish. I'll see you on the next video, and cheers to happy, healthy fish.